dudes, welcome back to another video. So today is actually still the same day of the new build reveal. Like I did mention, I am going to meet up with Tariq. So what we basically have planned for today is just to meet up. It's basically we just need to have a meeting with regarding my side skirts, as well as I might be creating a diffuser of my own, a bumper diffuser. So that's about it. We're going to hang out, and then I'm going to film his car as well, show you guys his car actually on the channel. It actually has not been shown on the channel yet. Then maybe just go for a drive, look for a nice location to maybe take some pictures or some cinematics, and that's about it. So yeah, I just thought I'd take you guys along and finally show you Tariq's car as well. So yeah, let's get going. Hope you guys enjoy this video.
Run.
Okay, my dudes, so I'm standing by a random Somerset Mall total garage. The reason for me actually standing here is while driving to Tariq, I picked up that what the
Run.
Okay guys, I think I can actually see him pulling in this way. I don't know if he's looking for me or what, but I'm trying to hide away from these cars. I think he might have turned around to look for me. Fuck.
A few moments later.
But anyway, the reason for me actually standing at the total garage is because I had a slight encounter with a Metro police. While driving, I was kind of on my phone, and I think he picked up that I was on my phone. He actually trapped brakes, but he was forced to go to the front because of traffic. I then moved behind him and then took a random left turn off, and now I'm by the total garage. However, I keep on seeing more Metro police every time, so I'm just randomly standing here and waiting for everything to cool down, or waiting for those Metro police to actually be much more further than me before I actually pull out here, because I don't know, I'm kind of skeptical. I don't want my dust to be taken again. But yeah, that's a slight update. Strand is hectic with cops, I don't know. But yeah, slight update. I'll just update you guys again when I arrive to Tariq. Okay guys, so we just arrived to Tariq. He's just assisting one of our mutual friends, FAGHRI'S car. To my understanding, he's going to use a piece of wire and then put it into the connector block, and then that somehow shows, how can I say, it's basically a diagnostic test, so old school way of doing it. So to my understanding, the engine light will then flicker a certain amount of times, and then we'll just look on the internet what the code actually gives, and then that basically determines what the problem is. The reason for us doing that is FAGHRI'S car, I think, has the engine light remains on, so we're just trying to figure out what the actual problem is. And then once we are done here, we are basically going to go for a drive and then maybe just film all the cars. Like I mentioned earlier on, Tariq is going to assist me with creating the side skirts for my car as well. How can I say, it basically fits straightforward, so there's not any measurements done. I just wanted to, how can I say, customize mine. And then with regarding the diffuser, once we're done with the shoot, we'll just remove the diffuser and then I'll leave it here by him. So yeah, we're just going to use the 2-point method and then see how many times his engine light flickers, and then we can determine what the actual problem is with the car.
So guys, I'm just gonna put into this little grey 2 connector block. There's 2 points in this. It's just basically gonna breach that, and then the engine light starts to flicker.
So just switch ignition on.
So I'm gonna switch ignition off and then switch ignition on
Okay.
again, and then hopefully it's gonna start to
Okay.
flicker. Yeah. Okay, so just gonna fiddle here quickly.
A few moments later.
Okay, so as you guys can see, that is what's supposed to do. You're supposed to count the amount of times it flickers. Earlier on we counted, it was about 17, right?
17, 9, 7, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just gonna do a recount and then make sure I count the ABS and I count the engine light, so then I can see. But
So then what does it mean when the ABS is at a different code?
ABS codes is gonna be all on the sensor, so it's gonna be the
Okay.
ABS sensors on the on all 4 corners. I think the codes follow as 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, cool. So we're just going to try that, guys, and then we'll just update you what the actual problem is with the car. In the meanwhile, I'll just give you guys a quick walk around of both cars, FAGHRI'S car as well as THAARIQ'S car. So this is FAGHRI'S car. What it looks like. It's my car over here. And then this is Tariq's car over here. Tariq just cleaned his car for the quick shoot that we are going to go for. It's actually the first time Tariq's car is actually on the channel. These are also the side skirts that we are going to put on my car as well. This is also the lip that Tariq recently done. It's carbon fiber. Also Tariq's seats that they recently fitted. I'm actually a big fan of it. This is also this little plate is also something that Tariq does as well. I don't think I showed it on the channel. And this is the EK shifter plate. This is a better look at what the side skirts look like. So mine will just maybe have a different logo over here. His actually shines blue. And then what I'm also going to do is, so here will also be maybe a slant going this way, just to make it a little bit different. And on the inside I might just extend it a little bit further as well. This is also Tariq's rim. Not quite sure what the color's name is. Let me just confirm. Tariq, what's the color of this rim?
It's hyper blue.
Hyper blue. So it's something different. You don't really see this often. Looks pretty cool. And then also, guys, there's a CRX standing over there. I'll inform you guys what is going into the CRX in future. So yeah, we're just going to sort out FAGHRI'S car and then go for the drive. So what does it say? 17.
17, yeah, it's a speedo, and then didn't we fix the speedo?
So it's a speedo sensor. So why do you think it's good doing that?
I cleaned the engine bay yesterday.
Is it in it made
And
it
so
not?
what happened? And when I drove the car, no speedo. But this afternoon the speedo started working again. I think I kept the web too much.
Okay. Hey guys, so this is just a velocity stack that Tariq just sold to the owner over here. So yeah, this was a standard, it was a standard induction, you know. So he has now a velocity stack on. This is what it sounds like.
Maar dat hoor je stek.
Okay guys, so we just arrived to the first location. Like I mentioned, I'm just going to try to film a few shots of our cars. Tariq is going to mainly take some photos. We're going to check out this location. I'm just making this video inside the car because it's pretty windy here. It's actually a cool location. I remembered coming here when I was a bit younger. It's like a bowl. You can basically see the sea from here. I'll just show you guys. So there's Tariq's car over there, and then you can literally see the whole sea. And FAGHRI'S car also behind us. So yeah, we're just gonna see what pictures we can get, and I'll try to get some cinematics for you guys as well. Hey guys, so Tariq just agreed to me actually driving his car. There's gonna be a quick review on the car. First of all, climbing into the car, I can already feel the seat is way more snug than mine. I actually like it a lot. You can actually feel the difference. This seat is a more aggressive seat and is something that I would like in future as well. So yeah, we're just going to take this car for a drive. For you guys that do not know, Tariq's car is B18C. What else is done to it, Tariq?
It's B18C, and then it's a cams by the Club Spec 3 cams, 410cc injectors, skunk 2 intake, fairly stock block, just a 4x1 branch, 63mm exhaust, yeah, and the LSD gearbox.
Yeah, so that actually seems like a lot more the way you made it seem, but yeah, we're just going to go for a drive quickly. I actually really would like to see what this car is capable of, and yeah, he did mention something with regarding the clutch. If the clutch gets hot,
yeah, if it gets too hot, and then I have to engage like half clutch.
Yeah, so that's just something that he mentioned I shouldn't do or should do. But yeah. Anyway, we're just gonna go for a drive, and I'll just give you guys a review on what I think about this car.
like me in my own car. No one else, bro.
Okay guys, so Tariq actually just said that I'm actually the first brand that drove his car like that. So yeah, first impressions, how can I say, I really enjoy the car. Like, I mean, what I told him that the transaction from VTEC, it's not, how can I say, it's not that aggressive, but you can see by the speedo how fast it actually moves. Like I said, there's not a big burst, but you can see there is a lot of power. The, how can I say, the power, what's another word for it now again? Anyway,
crossover,
the crossover, yeah, the crossover, that's what I'm trying to get at.
The cams is actually not dialed in yet. The cams is still on 0 degrees.
Yeah.
So once I'm gonna go back for a tune, we're just gonna degree the cam so that the lift can be actually more.
And then maybe you can let me drive the car again.
Oh, then it's gonna bust.
So yeah, I enjoy the car. We're just letting it idle a little bit, but yeah, he said I'm actually the first one to drive the car like that.
Oh, yeah.
And I must say, it's like every time I drive a car that's VTEC, like I mentioned, it's something that I really want. So yeah, coming soon, maybe this year.
A few minutes later.
Hey guys, so I'm finally on my way home. Just gonna create a outro or summary of the day. So yeah, it was actually fun hanging out with Tariq and Faghri. It's actually cool, like lumming in a garage with a whole lot of Hondas, and to show you guys a day in the life of Wong Spec and Concept Sport. And I hope you guys like the whole collab vibe, and I hope you guys are actually looking forward to what we do have planned in future. So as you guys seen, I just gave my diffuser to Tariq as well. So there is some new mods coming from my side as well. And the company that is assisting us with creating the parts is recently opened. So you guys can expect some new parts coming soon to the channel. So yeah, I really enjoyed driving Tariq's car. And another thing, off camera, I was actually speaking a lot to his dad. His dad is actually very impressed with what my car looks like. And I remember in a previous vlog I mentioned that his dad only wants to do OEM vibe on the Honda. But I think after seeing my car, his whole mind changed. He actually mentioned that he wants me to do his fenders as well. So we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, that is maybe something that you guys can expect in future. But yeah, I'm just on my way home. Just going to end of the vlog here. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.